Hello, Mario! AutoCAD Basic 19.1 Linear Dimensions Architectural. Hello! Welcome. Well, this video is being made on November the 4th in the evening, and well, it's Guy Fawkes time, so it's actually Guy Fawkes tomorrow. But I think a lot of people are letting their crackers off tonight, so you might hear some interesting sounds in the background. So today's instructional video on linear dimensions in an architectural scene. So let's go over to AutoCAD and let's get started. So we're going to open dimensional plan am.drawing. Open drawing, dimensional plan, so that'll start with a D, dimensional plan AM, and we'll open that one there. Alrighty, okay, and we'll switch to ISO A1, and make the existing viewport active, and we will zoom to extents like so. Alrighty ho. In the status bar, set the viewport scale to 1 to 30. So that's down here. 1 to 30. Okay. And lock the viewport. So 1 to 30, lock the viewport there like so. Alright, so that's that all set out. Freeze the layers, doors and windows to make it easier to only select walls. So doors and windows, they get frozen. So this is frozen here and this is just free. So that's frozen. Doors and windows. Okay, so they're all frozen. Alright, in the Annotate tab, Dimensions panel, and the Annotate tab, Dimensions panel, select the layer Dimensions in the drop down list. Hang on. In the Annotate tab, Dimensions panel, select the layer Dimensions. Okay. All right. In the drop down list as shown in figure 19.9. Oh yes, which I've done. Okay. To make it the active dimensioning layer. Okay. Alright. Also set the current dimension style to architectural which is already done, as shown there, as an annotative style. Verify that object snap is off. Okay, while still active in the viewport, in the Annotative tab, Dimension panels, click Dimension. Yep. And hover the cursor on the top left wall, as shown in 1910. So that's the top left wall. Yes. Okay, select the object and drag the cursor up and click to place the dimension outside of the building. Okay, alright, so I'm going to put it there. There's already some dimensions there. Okay. In the status bar, toggle on object snap. Okay, toggle on the object snap. Oh, It's always way harder to find when it's off. Yes, the toggle on the object snap and verify that the endpoint object snap is selected. So the endpoint, yes, okay. Okay, start the continue command, which is this one here, continue, and yeah, and select the left endpoint of the second wall as shown. Okay. Yeah, and it's shown. Select the rest of the dimension points along the way. Press enter twice to complete. So that's like that, and we're agreeing with the previous dimensions there. Endpoint and endpoint, and enter to stop the command. Start the dimension command, select the two endpoints, first left then right of the bottom left wall, place the dimension along the bottom of the building. So we start the dimension. This layer, what layer are they in? Oh, they're in dimensions as well. So they're already there for some reason. Okay, start the dimension command and select. Start the dimension command. Select the two endpoints, first left and then right of the bottom left wall. Okay, so there we'll start the dimension again. There and there, and I'll just put them there like that. Okay, and start the baseline command. So that's the continue. The baseline is under the continue there, and you'll notice that it you can see that it's you can put that there like that. Oh, there, 17501. Okay, and then I guess you come through to here like this one here. Enter twice again to complete. So the baseline one, you can see how the baseline one's there is working, and you've got the, oh, we seem to have got that one a couple of times there. I don't know quite what's that one. That one there. Oh, that's that one. Oh, I see. And there's that one. That one. And that one. So there's a couple of them there. And the baseline ones are all start from the one end. Okay, start the quick dimension. Okay, this is the quick dimension one here, and add the dimensions to the left side of the building by selecting the left outside, by selecting the three outside wall objects. Okay, that was it. Okay, so let's go back here. So start the quick dimension command. Okay, and you can see that there's add dimensions to the left side. It's selecting 3 outside wall objects. Perhaps we should go there like that. And it doesn't seem to want to select those. Okay, so let's try that again. Start the quick dimension command. Okay, and then it says add dimensions to the left side of the building by selecting the 3 outside wall objects. I can't see. Any of, they don't seem to be, it doesn't seem to be working. I don't know why that is. I don't know if we select these, perhaps these layers are off or something, I'm not sure. Dimensions, what's happening with walls, they all seem to be off. Oh, there's the problem, we're in paper space. Okay, so we're in paper space, so I've seen the problem there. Okay, so now let's go to annotate and quick, and we'll select there, there, and there. End the selection, and there's your dimensions coming right out there from those ones there, just like that, and it's put them all in there. Okay, so I'm just what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the quick select here. I'm just going to select all these. I'm not really happy with the way this has gone, to be honest. So that's there. I'm going to delete those, and I'm going to delete those, and I'm going to delete these here, and I'm just going to repeat the exercise with those without there. So first up, we got it all set up, and then we just push the dimension. We can, rather than there, and we've got that one there like so. Then we can push oh, what's happened to under continue and baseline, so we can continue there, and we can just place our dimensions like that, and that's with a nice linear dimension, and there, and then we get to the end of the wall, and we push enter twice, and that gives us our dimensions all very nice and tidy. Now I'm just going to get these ones here anyway, they can come out. Oh, okay, the next one was of course the baseline one, so we just push dimension, we start here, and then we for continue we click baseline. Oops, so that's we'll start that again. So we just push dimension, we go here, and then we click on baseline. Oh, dimension, so there, and then we come up here to baseline, click baseline, and for some reason it does that. It's very annoying. I'll turn off the object snap, that might help that. Okay, so dimension. Oh, okay, I see where I might have gone wrong here. No, we'll turn on the I see what I've done wrong there. So we turn on the there, and we put the first dimension in like so. Then we push the baseline, and it'll give us that one there and that one there, and then we push enter to do twice. So that's gives us the baseline dimensions there and what have you. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to pick the quick dimension, which is this one here. We select that one there, making sure that we're in model space, that one there, and then we enter and pull that out to there like that, and there it is. It's all sorted. And so we save and close the drawing. So yeah, I'll just do that. So file, save. Oh, I usually do a save as just to confirm. I think that's safer. Yes, that's the one we want. Save, and yes, we will replace it. Yep. And then we're going to do a close. Okay, and that brings us back to there. So let's just recap on that. So we got the dimensions all going, but when we opened the plan, the dimensions were already there, which made it a bit confusing. So I sorted out the way the dimensions work. I had a little bit of a problem there being in paper space for one set of dimensions, which made it a bit interesting. So I always do my dimensions in model space. It is possible to do them in paper space, and some people do them there, but it's not how things are intended in the AutoCAD sort of, by the AutoCAD Autodesk company. And so then we looked at baseline ones, and then we also did some quick dimensioning. So dimensioning can be very quick and very accurate. You must be very careful to make sure that you snap onto the right points, otherwise you're going to get the wrong dimensions. So there we go, an introduction to dimensioning. Cheers and see you.